Yes guys, finally! Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting video because we are fitting the tensioner on the fan belt and we're also going to be doing some work on the brakes, and we are confident we can get the Jeep started today as well, so stay tuned and yeah, it's going to be a good video.
So that is the new tensioner back bracket, so I'm just going to tighten that in. It's tight. Where's the bolt? Where's the other bolt? Thank you. Oh, well done. You the man! Right, I'll quickly tighten them while I'm down here. That should sit flush, shouldn't it, really? You can see we've installed it there. So hopefully that should fix it. Right, so I've just dropped a spanner in the engine bay. I don't know where it is. That's probably going to cause massive mechanical issues. But on the bright side, we found what tensions the belt. It's this thing. So if I turn that there, put it in there, and something just snapped. That's tight though.
It is tight. Do you want to do the turn test? I think it's got about ½ an inch.
Something just snapped.
So that's tight. Something did just
Snap.
Oh, there it is.
What?
Oh dear.
What is that?
Hang on.
Oh, it's just this thing. Oh, it's okay.
What is it?
It belongs to this bit at the back.
Why has that come off?
Dunno, who cares?
Okay. Let's fire up.
Try.
That's so weird. How did that come off?
I don't know.
Oh well.
Is the belt tight? Shit, this is big. Filling her up. Is it going?
Yeah. What happened? Why did it cut out?
I don't know, I tried to accelerate.
Is it fuel not getting to the engine? So we've had a mechanic come out and just take a quick look at it for us. Essentially, there's no vacuum being created because the fuel filter was leaking. So we've just put a new one on and now it should work. So we're just going to make sure that fuel is getting through the pump, through the injectors and into the engine. So fingers crossed. What? It fucking worked!
Do you know how long this has taken right here? The car is started, it's running, it hasn't cut out. I can't believe it. We did it. We did it. And we've got no mechanical experience.
Okay guys, we got the engine running. We're now going to move on to do some work on the brakes.
Right guys, we got the drum brake cover off. I actually ordered a whole new set, so we've got brand new ones here. We've got the horseshoes here, brand new ones as well. These things, I don't know the exact technical name, brake wheel cylinder. And then also I've gone ahead and ordered new springs and all of the compartments for in. So we're basically going to do a whole replacement of the inside.
So we've taken the drum brake apart, and now we're going to put it all back together again with the new parts. If you want to watch a video on how to actually do a drum brake properly, check out Chris Fix. He has a good video on this. We'll probably put the link down below to that. But yeah, I don't think you want to be taking drum brake advice from us.
So the copper wire for the fuel line, basically last time when we took the brakes off, it broke. So I've got some new one here, and I'm just making a flute on the end of this so that the screws don't come off the end. So now, if I undo that, and then I take this out of here. Hopefully, you'll be able to see that. And look, now I've got an even end of a new wire that will hold it all in together. Right guys, we successfully changed the drum brakes. Really difficult, but we got it done in the end. Here are the spacers for the new wheels. So we're going to put the new wheels on now, and we'll show you how the car looks like with the new wheels.
So these are the wheels that we've put on the Jeep now. They are 2001 Cherokee wheels, 17 inch as opposed to the 16 inch wheels that we did have on. And yeah, they look amazing. I mean, the old wheels are completely ruined. So the fact that we were able to get 4 for about $350 is super good. And yeah, transform the car.
So thank you everyone for watching. It's been an interesting video, and we finally got the car started, which took about 5 weeks of figuring out what was wrong with it. Finally figured out it was just a fuel filter not having pressure in it. And then we also got into...
Yeah, we got the wheels done and the brakes as well. Front brakes still need a bit of work, but pretty much there. And now it will just be a case of getting the car MOT'd, doing some interior work, and then we can actually drive it, which would be an experience. I'm looking forward to that. So yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.